All right, guys, we just picked up the fresh 2021 YZ250F. As you could see earlier in the video, we picked it up from the goat farm. This bike came from Star Racing Yamaha. It was so whenever they get their new bikes, they'll tear everything out of the frame, put it in a box, all the OEM stuff, they'll put it in a box, keep it in storage, and then they'll take the frame and they'll build a race bike out of the frame. And their pro riders they'll run that frame for 40 or so hours, and after that they'll strip it down to the frame, get it all cleaned up, take the box of OEM parts and rebuild an OEM bike and sell it. So,
and definitely shout out to the guys at Star Racing Yamaha for giving us a tour and showing us around their facility. And basically,
shout out to Daniel, Justin Cooper's lead mechanic, gave us a tour around their new shop.
it sounds so good.
You're just loud as fuck.
Yeah, it honestly sounds like a 450.
It sounds good as fuck.
Oh.
I wasn't even getting into it either. I was just cracking the throttle.
No, you could tell. Yeah, it's just lugging it.
The thing pulled hard.